Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us see the work done and torque problems in vectors. First, work done formula is W equal to F vector dot D vector. And then torque formula is T vector equal to R vector cross F vector. And note that W is a scalar quantity and T vector is a vector quantity. And we know the magnitude formula R equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. And the direction cosines formula x by r comma y by r comma z by r. Now see the problem. A particle acted on by constant forces 8I plus 2j minus 6k and 6I plus 2j minus 2k is displaced from the point 1, 2, 3 to the point 5, 4, 1. Find the total work done by the forces. Here there are two forces given. So we have to add these two forces. So F vector equal to add the first force and the second force. That is F1 vector plus F2 vector. Take and write the first force 8I plus 2j minus 6k plus second force 6I plus 2j minus 2k. We know that we can add I vector with I vector only, and also j vector with j vector, k vector with k vector. So here 8I plus 6I, that is 14I, 2j plus 2j, that is 4j, minus 6k minus 2k, that is minus 8k. Here I, j, k are unit vectors, so that is why we put cap. I cap, j cap, k cap. And for the displacement, we take the first point OA vector. Here the point is given within bracket 1, 2, 3. That means the first number I vector, second number j vector, third number k vector. So 1I plus 2j plus 3k. Take the first point OA vector. Similarly, take the second point OB vector. Here the point is given 5, 4, 1. That is 5I plus 4j plus 1k. So this is OB vector. Displacement is just subtract these two. Always subtract second point minus first point. Because the displacement AB vector is OB vector minus OA vector. So subtracting this 5I minus I, that is 4I. 4j minus 2j, that is 2j. K minus 3k, that is minus 2k. So this is D vector. Now we have to find work done. The formula is W equal to F vector dot D vector. That is equal to F vector 14I plus 4j minus 8k dot D vector 4I plus 2j minus 2k. We have to take dot product. So that is first number into first number, 14 into 4, 56, plus 4 into 2, 8, minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16. Now adding this, we get the answer 80. So W equal to 80 units. And note that work done is a scalar quantity. So finally we get a number. Let us see the next problem. A particle is acted upon by the forces. Two forces are given. Displaced from the point, first point to second point. Here, if the work done by the forces is 16 units, so work done answer is given, we have to find the value of lambda. We use the same formula W equal to F dot D. From that we can find the value of lambda. F vector equal to add the given two forces, that is 3i minus 2j plus 2k plus 2i plus j minus k. 3i plus 2i 5i minus 2j plus j minus j 2k minus k plus k. This is F vector. And this first bracket take it as OA vector, that is I plus 3j minus k. This second bracket take it as OB vector, that is 4i minus j plus lambda k. Now we know that displacement is OB vector minus OA vector. So the displacement D vector is AB vector, that is OB minus OA. So subtract these two vectors. 4i minus I 3i minus j minus 3j minus 4j lambda k plus k, that is lambda plus 1 into k. Now work done answer is given in the question. So the work done is 16 units, that is W equal to 16. W formula F vector dot D vector, that is equal to 16. So take and write F vector and D vector. 5i minus j plus k dot 3i minus 4j plus lambda plus 1 into k equal to 16. Left side take dot product, multiply first into first, 5 3s are 15, second into second, minus into minus plus 4, third into third, 1 into lambda plus 1, that is lambda plus 1 equal to right hand side 16. Add the numbers, lambda plus 15 plus 4 19 plus 1 20 equal to 16. This 20 take right side and subtract, we get the answer lambda equal to minus 4. Next problem, find the magnitude and direction cosines of the torque of a force represented by 3i plus 4j minus 5k about the point with position vector 2i minus 3j plus 4k acting through a point whose position vector is 4i plus 2j minus 3k. Here we have to find the torque. After that we have to find magnitude and direction cosines. Here force is given, that is F vector equal to 3i plus 4j minus 5k. Now R vector is defined as through the point minus about the point. See the question and take and write the vectors correctly. See the last line, acting through a point whose position vector is. So this is the through the point 4i plus 2j minus 3k minus about the point. See this line, about the point with position vector 2i minus 3j plus 4k. So this is about the point, so take and write 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Now subtracting this, 4i minus 2i 2i, 2j minus of minus plus 3j, that is 5j, minus 3k minus 4k minus 7k. This is R vector. Now torque formula T vector is R vector cross F vector. It's a cross product, so we use determinant formula. Determinant I, j, k. Next row R vector numbers 2, 5, minus 7. and then next row f vector numbers 3, 4, minus 5. Now we have to expand the determinant. Expanding this along the first row, we get I vector into minus 25 plus 28 minus j vector into minus 10 minus of minus plus 21 plus k vector into 8 minus 15. So this is equal to 3i cap minus 11j cap minus 7k cap. Here I, j, k are unit vectors. That is why we denote it as I cap, j cap and k cap. So finally it's a vector quantity. So remember, T vector gives a vector answer. Now we have to find magnitude and direction cosines. Magnitude formula r equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. Here see this torque answer, x value 3, y value minus 11, z value minus 7. So using that, root of 3 square plus minus 11 square plus minus 7 square. This is equal to root of 9 plus 121 plus 49. Adding this, we get root of 179. So the magnitude answer is root 179. Next, direction cosine formula, x by r, comma, y by r, comma, z by r. X value 3 divided by r value root 179, comma, y value minus 11 divided by r is root 179, comma, z value minus 7 divided by r value root 179. Similarly, next problem, find the magnitude and direction cosines of the torque about the point 2, 0, minus 1 of a force 2i plus j minus k whose line of action passes through the origin. First take and write the force F vector equal to 2i plus j minus k. And r vector is defined as through the point minus about the point. Here see the sentences carefully. Through the point is origin. See the last line. Passes through the origin. That is 0, 0, 0. We write it as 0i plus 0j plus 0k. About the point, see this line. About the point 2, 0, minus 1. That we write it as 2i plus 0j minus k. We have to subtract these two. So we get minus 2i plus 0j minus into minus plus k. Now torque formula T vector equal to r vector cross f vector. We have to take determinant formula. So determinant I, j, k. Next row r vector numbers minus 2, 0, 1. And then f vector numbers 2, 1, minus 1. Expanding this along the first row, we get I into 0, minus 1. Next minus j vector into 2, minus 2. Plus k vector into minus 2, minus 0. Therefore, the answer is minus I plus 0j minus 2k. So this is torque answer. We have to find magnitude and direction cosines. Magnitude formula r equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. See the torque answer. Here x value minus 1, y value 0, z value minus 2. So substituting that, we get root of minus 1 square plus 0 square plus minus 2 square. So this is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 4. So the answer is root 5. Direction cosine formula x by r comma y by r comma z by r. See the torque numbers, that is x, y, z. Minus 1, 0, minus 2. Divide by the magnitude root 5. So we get minus 1 by root 5, comma, 0 by anything is 0, comma, minus 2 by root 5. So the final answer is minus 1 by root 5, comma, 0, comma, minus 2 by root 5. Thanks for watching.